Welcome to The Good, the Bad, and the AI, a new channel where we make artificial intelligence simple, useful, and actually fun. Whether you're new to AI or already experimenting, there's something here for you. And meet Miles, our curious AI monkey who tries everything first so you don't have to. We explore real problems, make sense of the latest AI news, and turn it all into clear, practical insights. This is The Good, the Bad, and the AI, where we make the future a little less scary and a lot more fun. If you want AI made simple, hit subscribe and join the journey. And yes, you'll be seeing much more of Miles. Buckle up, because episode 1 is a game changer. We launch with an AI tool that can save you hours every week.